Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll start
Okay, sir.
from the beginning. Please,
Okay, sir.
initially we discussed about that Karnataka issue. We started discussing about financial inclusion, then
Mm-hmm.
RRB. Now, please
Mm-hmm.
tell me what are your strengths?
Sir, my strengths, I think I'm very much helpful person, and I think I can able to communicate well to others, and I listen properly, and I can sympathize with others. So, so
So,
I think these are all my strengths.
this alone will not do. You may have to speak something more good about yourself.
Okay, sir.
So, please prepare, watch other videos, and try to
Mm-hmm.
prepare some more points on this. I have
Okay, sir.
tried
Sure.
in many videos.
Okay, sir. I'm watching it on a daily basis.
Mm. Then you
Okay.
must be able to tell some more good points about you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
In the sense, like how, sir? Like, I mean, on what basis? Like personality wise or academic wise? I mean, academic wise, I am a good. I'm having a good record. Like I'm a school topper. So,
See, actually, when you come to the bank, you should try to market your skills. You must
okay,
tell,
sir.
I am good in communication. I am a team.
Mm,
I am a team player. I am a leader. I also possess good communication skills. I am capable of solving problems and I am good in time management. Like that, these things you should speak up.
okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. Now, mm, just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Tell us about your family.
My family includes my father, my mother, and me and my sister. Actually, and my father as no, is a retired person. He was working in a private sector in Egmore, and after COVID, he got retired, and currently is not working anywhere. And coming to my mother, she's a homemaker, and I'm not working. I'm just going for the jobs. Although I was working before, currently I'm not working now. And coming to my sister, she's a BCom graduate, and she's working as an assistant accountant. So as of now, she's the only breadwinner of our family.
Oh, oh.
Yes, sir.
Mm, now tell me in what way RRBs are helping the villagers? What are the facilities they are giving them?
Sir, RRBs, I mean, they can easily reach the rural people since so like and they are having the deposit schemes at very cheaper rates as compared to the um, commercialized banks.
Mm,
So they can make use of that, and also the RRBs providing some schemes, PM Fasal Bima Yojana and KCC,
mm,
Kisan Credit Card. So these schemes and initiatives are immensely helpful for the farmers,
mm,
specifically catered to the needs of them,
mm,
and and they can rely on the RRBs at any time.
mhm.
Yeah,
Now,
sir.
now, please tell me,
Hmm.
what do you know about Kisan credit card?
The Kisan Credit Card got introduced in 1998.
Mm,
So its uses providing timely and adequate short-term credit to the farmers in order to fulfill their agricultural needs
mm,
like fertilizers, crops,
mm,
and such like that, sir. Timely
mm.
credit to the farmers.
What is the importance of KYC?
The KYC mean know your customer. So it is very much helpful in knowing the identity of the consumer, which is customer. So like we can get to know the real identity and the real address, so that it prevents the fraudulent activities. It improves the transparency.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one minute. Because
Okay.
today one boy has given certain questions like this. Do
Okay,
you
sir.
know what is meant by amortization?
Amortization? No, sir. Actually, I don't know about that. This is the first time I'm hearing such term. I will take notes of it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Can you tell us how banks earn profit?
Banks earn profit primarily by CASA. I mean the deposits, the current accounts and savings account deposits from the customer. I mean the customers, so that they can they no they only have to provide a smaller amount of interest as contrary to the term deposits such as fixed deposits and recurring deposits. So it is one way of making good profit, and also they are giving loans.
See, actually,
So
your answer has to be banks get interest on loans they make.
okay.
Banks also get service charges on various bank assurance and mutual fund charges.
Yeah, sir.
Banks get interest on government securities made and they get dividends on shares invested by them.
Hmm.
And banks increase their profit percentage by increasing the net interest margin. That is,
Hmm.
the average interest paid by them on deposits and the average interest received by them on the um, average interest paid by them on bank deposits. Difference between
Okay,
these two is only increasing their profit.
profits. Okay, sir.
But for this question, how they earn profit? You have to tell number one, their income is this, and the profit is the difference in interest margin, as a
Hmm.
result of which they get. And if it is CASA account is more, then the net interest margin will be more.
Oh,
That
yeah.
is why banks want to get more of CASA deposits.
Yes, sir.
What is famous in your district?
Sir, Chennai is very famous for that Marina Beach and monuments and
Which monuments are you referring to?
uh, like that St. George Fort, which
Mm,
is a secretariat, so which itself speaks volumes of its heritage in the Chennai city
mm,
from erstwhile Madras,
mm,
and Valluvar Kotam and Victoria Memorial Hall,
mm.
Victoria Memorial Hall. So and yeah, yes, sir. I mean it is somewhere situated along the coastal line,
Victoria
so in the down
Memorial
south.
Hall, where is it?
Sir, it is nearby Chennai. I mean nearby Marina Beach, sir. Nearby Marina Beach, sir, opposite to Port Trust.
Acha, Pudiya. Oh, right.
Yes, sir, opposite to Port Trust.
Very good. What is a cross check?
Cross to check means there will be some crossing mark on the top left of the check.
Mm.
Um, I mean, it signifies that. Mm, actually, I don't know, sir. What is the significance?
Significance of cross check is that
Mm,
if a check is crossed, the payment cannot be made over the counter.
okay, sir.
The payment cannot be made over the counter,
Counter.
and it has to be paid only through banker.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is annual percentage rate, APR?
Annual percentage rate. Um, I don't know, sir. This is the first time I'm hearing about this.
For me also, I'm hearing for the first time.
Oh my God. Okay.
I have not heard it, but now here they are telling annual percentage rate is the yearly cost of borrowing money
Okay,
expressed
sir.
as a percentage of the loan amount.
Mhm.
It includes the interest rate plus any fees or additional costs associated with the loan. APR is an important number to consider when
Consider
applying for new credit,
credit such as
such as
credit
credit
card,
card, mortgage, car loan, personal loan. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Highlights. An annual percentage rate represents the total annual cost of borrowing money are represented as a percentage. That is,
Percentage.
we are not only paying interest,
Mm,
but there are other charges like processing charges, mm,
mm.
lawyer verification charges, then um, some other, um, say, uh, folio charges. So many charges are levied by the bank. But you must add all these expenses and then arrive at the average interest rate,
Annual percentage rate.
annual percentage rate. Yeah,
Right, related.
good, very good. Next question. Um, what are you related to agriculture?
No, sir. Actually, I'm from urban background. I'm not directly related to agriculture, but my maternal side, she's from the tier two village. That time, so I know some things about agriculture, sir.
What do you know about agriculture?
Agriculture, like in generally, you're asking, sir.
Yeah,
Like agriculture is very much useful for economy, and like agriculture, holds the major number of percentage,
mm,
in the nation's economy and in the budget also.
mm.
So it is, and then in our nation,
No, 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 no.
major number of. Okay,
For this question, you have to search and you can go on insightsonindia.com, IAS.
okay, sir.
There
Yes, sir.
you search for importance of agriculture, performance of agriculture, contribution of
Okay,
agriculture,
sir.
exports under agriculture, imports under agriculture, something like that. You search and get to know
Okay,
more.
sir.
Okay.
Oh, I'll do it, sir.
See how RBI is controlling inflation.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, sir. I'm thinking about it. Uh,
What is the
like
present inflation now?
So present in inflation, it's actually 6.2 percentage, sir.
Hmm?
Last week I read in the newspaper,
Exactly.
although the RBI's tolerance limit is 6 percentage, 4 plus 2 percentage, the consumer price index has hit a 14-month high of 6.2 percentage.
Hmm.
So,
So how RBI is going to control this?
sir, although the rate has increased in recent times, I read that RBI is unlikely to tinker with the interest rates. So they're not going to change the interest rates for the 10th time in a row, which is the Monetary Policy Committee, which is going to happen the next month.
Hmm.
So, I mean, our Honorable Big Governor said that although there is global headwinds and our nation has been sailing so smooth, so we can tackle it, and we are having a very good growth, in the future. So they're not much bothered about it, sir. Actually.
That was last month when our inflation was supposed to be 5.8. Now
Mm-hmm.
announced itself 6.2. Mostly in the next
Okay.
month when we come,
Mm.
I think they may try to tamper the um,
Interest rates.
repo rate. I don't know. Let us see what happens.
Okay. Okay, sir. Actually, there is one report also, sir, Bloomberg report or something. They also said like they're expecting that RBI is going to change it in the next month.
It has to change. It has to
Okay, sir.
change because the announced rate is 6.2. That
Mm.
the real rate will be 7. And
Mm.
so the government has to increase it. They cannot just close their eyes and say everything is good, everything is good. Nothing is good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what will you do if you are selected as RRB PO?
That if I selected as RBPO, I would like to improve the business of the branch. I would like to reduce the NPS. The current NPA is like 14.72 percentage in the Karnataka Gramin Bank. So I'd like to reduce it as much as possible.
How
And
will
I
you
would like to go,
how will you reduce?
sir, I will create the awareness among the rural people. And I will I mean, I won't be sitting in the branch itself. I mean, as and when required, I can go indirect to the people, and I will tell about the consequences,
Mm,
and I will make them understand, and I will bring them awareness. So,
mm.
so and so things. So thereby, I'll make them understand, sir.
What is a negotiable instrument?
Negotiable instrument, um, no, checks and promissory notes.
Mm.
And I mean the instrument of um,
Checks, bill of exchange, and promissory
and
notes
promissory notes,
are called negotiable
negotiable
instruments.
instruments.
What is the expansion of EMI?
The expansion of EMI is equated monthly installment.
Okay. Where else EMI is used besides bank loans?
So in the e-commerce shopping,
Very good.
in
Correct.
automobile, yes,
Correct.
automobile shopping.
Correct.
Thank you, sir.
What are the schemes for artisans?
Artisans like PM, Honorable PM Modi last year announced the Vishwakarma scheme.
Mm,
So it is one important scheme for artisans and craftsmen.
mm. Okay, what
And,
can you tell a few points about that Vishwakarma scheme?
Vishwakarma scheme in last year November month uh, it got introduced, and it has 18 I mean 18 types. Like it is classifying the artisans as 18 types, clobbers and something like that. So they are giving monetary benefit. They are conducting some workshop actually, and giving the stipend 500 per day. Those who are really appearing for it. So that it is useful for their um, growth of that work, sir. So they are providing loan also 1 lakh. So if the timely repayment is done, they are giving 18-month time. So monthly 5,000 we can give back to the government. So after that 1 lakh is finished, we can avail of much more loans also. And the toolkit worth 15,000 also they are giving as per the work of the nature. Yes, sir.
They have mm, they have given one abbreviation VAM. You know what is that? I have not heard of.
VAM.
Ah,
No, sir. VAM, no, sir. This is the first time I'm seeing that such things.
very good. No problem. You have done very
Take.
well. I wish you
Okay,
best
sir.
of
Thank you.
luck. Please prepare
Thank
well
you so much, sir.
and go and appear and send the questions they are asking.
Surely, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
In fact,
It was very pleasing to talk with you.
the previous candidate Vignesh is also like you only.
Okay, sir.
He is also going from Tamil Nadu to Karnataka. 20th one.
Okay, sir.
Best
Okay, okay.
wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye.
Bye.